The pineal gland. The pineal gland is a tiny pine cone-shaped endocrine gland about the size of a grain of rice, tucked in a small groove where the two halves of the thalamus join. Aside from regulating sleep and wakefulness through melatonin production, the pineal gland, also known as the third eye, has been referred to the principal seat of the soul and is a common focus of spirituality and mysticism. Could this mysterious structure be the home to a sixth human sense, a transcendent power referred to in every major civilization since the dawn of recorded history? For thousands of years, the pineal gland has been a great mystery, an emblem of higher consciousness. It was only very recently that we discovered a molecular basis for these notions. In 2013, researchers at the University of Michigan discovered something incredible being produced in the pineal gland of live rats: DMT, the most powerful psychotropic molecule known to man. This game-changing discovery was predicted decades earlier by clinical psychiatrist and psychedelic researcher Dr. Rick Strassman, author of DMT, the spirit molecule. DMT, or dimethyltryptamine, is a psychedelic compound occurring naturally in over 200 plants, also produced endogenously in the brain, said to peak in humans during REM sleep and right before the moment of death. Researchers link DMT to out-of-body experiences, time-space distortion, birth, and other instances of mystical perception. DMT has been shown in several scientific studies to have a profound effect on consciousness. Discovering the pineal gland to be a producer of DMT has rooted the enigmatic myth of this structure being a gateway to expanded consciousness to a molecular, physiological basis. Even before the pineal gland was proven to produce DMT, its regulatory functions of wakefulness via melatonin secretion have connected the gland to meditation and trance states. Meditative states are correlated with a sharp increase in melatonin. A melatonin influx lets the brain know it's time for sleep. Naturally triggered by the onset of darkness, increased melatonin during meditative states lets the brain know to slow down, allowing the mind to drop from the highly attentive waking brainwave states of beta frequencies into the calm, intuitive dreaminess of alpha and theta states. It's easier to meditate in the morning or late at night because the pineal gland has already begun producing the melatonin necessary for the brain to slow down and drop into a more relaxed and expansive state of consciousness. By regulating melatonin, the pineal gland is regulating the frequency of brain waves, shamaning their corresponding spectrums of awareness. Between controlling the production of the powerful psychedelic DMT and regulating wakefulness and the frequency of brain waves with melatonin, it's clear that ancient civilizations and countless mystics were onto something when they linked this tiny pine cone-shaped enigma with enlightenment and seat of the self.